Hey everyone, I'm not sure if I'm recording yet. I had a question in the comments about things that you can do while you're on vacation. Now, honestly, if you're on vacation, you should take a break and kind of get away from your business. But we know that that's not always possible. And there are times when you're on vacation when you can just do things that are kind of low energy, but you can get things done anyway while you're sitting around relaxing on the beach. I'm thinking about the beach. When I go on vacation, I don't sit around and relax. I do stuff, but that's just me. But there will always be some downtime. And if you're riding in the car or you're riding in the plane, going to wherever you are, you might want to get a little bit of work done. And the easiest thing to do in that kind of situation is to start making lists of things that you're planning. And I know that it might not be feasible for everyone to do this, or you might have everything that you need already planned in your head, but just sit down with the actual piece of paper and a pen and make a long list of every product that you're thinking of doing, different color combinations you want to incorporate, lists of suppliers that you want to look into, just anything that doesn't take a lot of energy and you don't have to concentrate on for long periods of time, because then you can put it down and pick it up and it's not a big deal. But if you do this, then you'll have all of this to look back on later when you're back from vacation and you're ready to kind of organize it. So that's one thing that I would do. And the other thing would maybe to be schedule some social media. I use Buffer to schedule social media, and I use Pin Generator to make the pins, and then I actually schedule them to Buffer, or I pin directly to Pinterest from Pin Generator. But I like to schedule things to Buffer because that way I know that I have one thing going out every single day, even if I'm not thinking about it. So you can get that kind of thing done because that doesn't really take a whole lot of concentration. And just think of things that you want to do when you're low energy. And this could actually be good when you're not on vacation, because there are days when you just don't feel like doing anything, but you know you need to, but you don't want to. And you can just have a kind of a list of things that you can work on if you're at home and you don't have the energy, like maybe put packaging materials together, put stickers on things. If there are, like for me, I have the little hang, like the header tags that go on the packages. I put stickers on those. So there'll be days when I just do that kind of thing and get that ready. And then when I need it, it's there and I don't have to think about it. But if you're on vacation and you're not at home with that kind of stuff around, I think making lists and planning and kind of thinking about your goals and that kind of stuff and just getting all that on paper is a good way actually to relax, because once you get it on paper, it's not knocking around inside your head. But if you're on vacation, honestly, try to take a vacation. Try to take some time off, because when you run a small business, there are not days where you can take a break, because that work is still going to be there and it's going to pile up if you start taking a break. So just actually close your shop, go on vacation, relax, and don't worry about it too much. But if you feel like you have to do something, I would have it be schedule some social media or just make lists of things that you want to do. And then when you're done from vacation, you come back, you sit down and you look at all that, you can eliminate probably a lot of stuff, because I make a lot of lists that don't make any sense. When I look at it later, I was like, what was I thinking? But just getting it all out is a good thing. All right, so that's my tip for vacation work, if you do any, but I would recommend that you don't. If you have to, I do anyway. If you have to do that, that's what I would do, just to get things out, get things on paper, and then you can go back and look at it later. Leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.